On a rainy morning, Maya hurried to catch the bus, clutching her umbrella as the cold wind pushed against her. At the stop, she noticed an elderly man struggling with grocery bags, the rain soaking through his thin jacket. Without thinking twice, Maya stepped forward. "Here, let me hold these while you adjust your coat," she offered. The man looked up, surprised, then smiled gratefully as she helped shield him with her umbrella. When the bus arrived, Maya gave up her seat so he could sit comfortably. As the ride went on, he told her stories about his late wife and how he still shopped for her favorite tea every week. Before getting off, the man pressed a small wrapped candy into Maya's hand. "Thank you, young lady. Kindness keeps the world warm even on cold days." Maya smiled, slipping the candy into her pocket. The sweetness wasn't in the sugar, but in the reminder that even the smallest act of kindness could brighten a stranger's day, and her own.